Time once again for The Law and You, and today we're talking about a situation involving an issue at a nightclub. Joining us once again are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Live with us today, guys. Good to see you as always.
He's got moves like Jagger.
I bet you he does. I've heard about Greg and his dancing skills. Well, anyway, this situation is from Dave in West Scranton, and my boyfriend was out at a nightclub in a parking lot, and he ended up getting into an altercation. The bouncers did nothing. Can they sue the club? That's the question here.
Well, Dave, I mean, anytime you're at a nightclub that has security, they have an obligation to provide a safe atmosphere, especially whenever there's drinking going on. Now, if what you're saying is completely accurate, that you know, your friend got beat up in the parking lot and that the bouncers didn't do anything and just watched your friend getting beat up, then you possibly could have what's called a premises liability case against a nightclub. But in our experience, there's always two sides to every story, especially when it involves drinking, fighting, and a nightclub. So you know, that would be my caution on that.
Yeah, and again, I think a lot more. We need some more facts, a little more investigation. Obviously, a lot of these clubs now have cameras. It'd be a good idea to get access to that, or at least tell the club you want to preserve that evidence. And then again, you know, a club just can't allow a fight to go on and do nothing, especially if they employ the security. They can't take, if a fight happens inside, they just can't let the people go outside and continue fighting just because they're outside the club. They do have a, you know, you're a business invitee. They have a, you know, they have the obligation to make sure you have a safe time or your friend had a safe time. So it's something that has to look at, but it's definitely very fact specific.
All right, for our viewers that may need your legal advice here, want to find out where Greg does his dancing on the weekends, how can they reach you guys?
570-714-HURT, or they can see us on the web at 714hurt.com, and you really don't want to see me dance.
We can put some pictures of Greg dancing and some video as well on our Facebook page if everybody would like to see that. But these are really fact-driven cases. I mean, the other thing is get the police report. Yeah. The police report will have names, witnesses, things of that nature, which really can go a long way in doing an investigation on any kind of this case.
All right, good deal. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, thanks so much. We'll catch you again next time.
Okay, thank you.
All right, PAHomepage.com, your place to submit your question for The Law and You, or you could also reach us on the hotline.